Today's date is the 31st of July, 2026. And yesterday, it seems like Iran has struck with long-range missiles at Egypt, in the port, I think, to Cairo. But anyway, they hit a LNG ship, this liquid natural gas thing. And that made me think, because I wrote a book called Codename Caribbean. And as all my books are actually based upon facts, and there's a lot of research in them. And they're all available at Amazon in hardcover, softcover, Kindle and audio. Now this traces back to something which happened actually with Tony Blair, or Tony Liar, or whatever they call him, the former British Prime Minister, the one who ran after George Bush Jr. into Iraq, and Muammar Gaddafi. Now, Gaddafi, of course, you all know, was murdered. I speak about it in some of my books on what happened. There was also a South African attempt to actually rescue him. I wasn't involved in that at all, but I've heard the rumors. And he couldn't be rescued because he was just plain bloody silly. He didn't move out quickly enough. He stopped at places, and that caused his death, which was most gruesome. But at some stage, he was actually calling Tony Blair when he was still in command. And he said to him, and he warned him that there's going to be terrorist attacks in the Mediterranean Sea. Now let's jump to Mumbai. In 2018 November, there were 10 members of the Islamic extreme group, terrorists who, from Pakistan, it seems, they staged out and they attacked Mumbai. And they did quite a good job. I mean, a lot of people died, and Indian Special Forces then got involved and they wiped them all out, except for one which was later on. Now, interesting, from the interrogations, it came out that this attack was not supposed to be like that. They were supposed to actually get hold of a ship and take it to a Suez Channel and sink it, or to make it explode in a harbor or something. Now, what comes out in Codename Caribbean, we looked at this, is if you can get a 150,000 ton LNG ship, with those round things on them, and you can get that thing to explode, it will explode with the same power as 55 Hiroshima type of atomic weapons. Yeah. So that's how close we got to the end of that city.